Welcome back to Homezonline. Today we come up with a new home tour. It is modern and traditional mixed roof home with beautiful interior and exterior. Outdoor and indoor decorations are done amazingly. Slope style roofing is used here. Traditional style roofing bronze are completely pasted on the roof. Exterior wall decorated with beautiful wall tiles. Porch is designed at the left side with slop roofing. The yard is beautifully landscaped. Blocks are spread in the yard. Green grass is planted between the blocks. Vast spaced open sit-out is designed elegantly with flat roofing. Black color flooring tiles bring classy look to sit-out. More seating places are arranged here. Moving on, we entering a beautifully arranged interior area. Firstly, we can see living space with stylish sofa sets with cushions and a cute tea table. Open style windows and beautiful curtains are used here. Ceiling work increases the beauty of this living room. Next, we entering amazingly designed dining area. Standard size table sets are arranged here. Stylish hanging bulb give good ambience to this area. There is provided a resting area. Washing area designed elegantly with beautiful basin and mirror. Stylish wall tiles are pasted here. This is the common toilet. prayer area design near the washroom. Kitchen is the most important area of a house. Designers built in unique way. Open kitchen is designed here. A breakfast table with 3 chairs is set here. Washing space and storage cabins also arrange here. Here we can see most beautifully designed second kitchen. All modern arrangements are done very neatly. White and wooden color cupboards are arranged here. Fireplace and washing area also set here. Here we can see an attractive courtyard. Beautiful indoor plants and seating arrangements are set here. Large-sized windows help to let more light in. This is the family living area. Grey color sofa set and tea table bring stylish view to living area. TV unit design uniquely made of wood. Ceiling work done with stylish hanging bulbs. Here the staircase is designed differently from the regular stairs. Railings also designed stylishly. This is the first bedroom here, which is very neatly arranged. The interior works are done stylishly. Similarly, set of single cot bed and curtains gives amazing look. A cute study table also set here. Here a dressing area arranged with large-sized wardrobe and mirror. It is a bath-attached bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Double cot bed, curtains and a study table arranged very neatly. Simple ceiling work done here. A dressing area arranged near the bathroom. Next we are going to check the first floor. Here we get a beautiful view of family living area. Then we going to check the upstairs bedroom. 2 bedrooms are designed here. This is the first bedroom. double cot bed and curtains bring awesome look to this bedroom. Simple ceiling work is done here. Bedroom has access to a small balcony area. It is bath attached bedroom. This is the last bedroom. There is a balcony area. Here get an amazing view of courtyard. LED spotlights are used here. A small dressing area arranged here with white color wardrobe and mirror. It is also a bath attached bedroom. This is an amazing home design. If you enjoyed this home tour, please like the video and leave a valuable comment in the comment box.